Today I will be showing you how to install Soundflower on macOS High Sierra. The first thing you're going to want to do is open Soundflower 1.6.6b.dmg, which I'll have linked in the description, and open the package file. Now it'll give you this message saying soundflower.pkg can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. You're going to want to click OK and go to System Preferences, and now go to Security and Privacy. Now on the very bottom you will see soundflower.pkg was blocked from opening because it is not from an identified developer. You're going to want to click Open anyway. And now you're going to get this message that pops up that says Soundflower PKG is from an unidentified developer. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open. Now I'll tell you that the certificate has been expired. Ignore this and click Continue. Click Continue, Agree, Install. And now type in your administrator username and password. Once Soundflower is finished installing, it'll say Restart on the bottom. Click the Restart button. Once your computer turns back on, you should now go to Finder and open your Applications folder and make sure that you have the Soundflower bed application. You'll notice when you go to Sound, you won't have any options for Soundflower. That's because version 1.6.6 does not work on macOS High Sierra, but you install it because you want the Soundflower bed application. The next thing you're going to want to do is open Soundflower 2.0b2 DMG, which will also be linked in the description. Now, just like before, you're going to want to open the Soundflower PKG file. Just the same as before, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and click Open anyway. Now proceed through all the steps and type in your administrator username and password. Once the Soundflower package is done installing, click Close. Your computer should now be completely set up for the use of Soundflower. Open Sound Preferences, and you should now see Soundflower in both input and output. Soundflower is now successfully installed, so now let's test it. So to actually use Soundflower, you have to open up the Soundflower bed application, and it'll appear up in your status bar. You're going to want to click it and make sure your Soundflower second channel is set to built-in output. This is so that you can hear the system audio while it's being recorded. And in your sound settings, you're going to want to make sure that your input and your output are both set to the same Soundflower setting. So now to test Soundflower, I'm using OBS to capture both my microphone and Soundflower, and I'm going to start Bloons Tower Defense 5 up and see if that picks up desktop audio. And surprise, surprise, Bloons Tower Defense 5 has working audio. That's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.